Hi everybody, welcome back to Flames Pyro Art for Beginners and a new series of wood burning experiments that we're going to try on some human skulls. I've taken a screenshot off my Shutterstock subscription of 3 skulls in different angles, and we're going to look at how we can create depth and shape to each of the skulls. So we're going to start off with some very basic shading techniques for newcomers to pyrography, and slowly as we progress through the experiment with these skulls we will get some more advanced level pyrography. What this channel is all about is hopefully helping to guide you and inspire you to create more depth and realism with your pyrography art. I know that was something I was striving for and still strive for to this day, is to make our art look like it's actually 3-dimensional. We don't want to create a piece of art that looks flat. We want something that has real shape and contour and bulk to it. So these 3 skulls are going to be perfect for the experiment. So part 1 will be coming soon, where we'll just start off with the very basic shading techniques and some of the things we have to think about as we start shaping each skull. So I've left the images on the intro video. If you want to screenshot them and transfer them off to your wood, you can just do 1, 2 or all 3 if you like. I personally have transferred all 3 skulls over to my wood, and I'm going to have a look at creating all 3 of them, and hopefully with one of the 3 it's going to give you some more insight and tips and techniques on how to create that depth with your pyrography art. So if you want to see more of the series, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and there'll be a lot of content coming down the line as we create these 3 skulls. I'm going to try and actually wood burn as much as I can of these live and use less time lapse and less speaking through them. I will give guides along the way of what I'm doing, but I'm just going to show you more really of actually live wood burning. So I will be using my medium space shader a lot on this project, but it's going to be really fun, and there's lots of basic shading to a lot more advanced level pyrography in there. So stay tuned, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave me a like or a comment, and we'll get started very soon on this new experiment and adventure on how to wood burn realistic looking skulls. Okay, have a great day everybody, and I will see you in lesson 1. Take care for now. Bye.